On this episode of In the Kitchen with the Greater Fort Lauderdale Food and Wine Festival, we're back at Culinary Convenience. Today we're hanging out with Chef Bret from Hell's Kitchen fame.
So tonight we're making a shrimp risotto with a pomodoro saffron broth. Most famously known for my season of Hell's Kitchen 18, where Gordon Ramsay has a risotto on the menu every season. And the contestants this season were asked to replace it, and mine was the winner.
This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with the Greater Fort Lauderdale Food and Wine Festival. Thanks for tuning in.